Before you ever cross the street, you already crossed it in your head. You carry a tiny copy of the world inside you, and you run it forward constantly. Now we are teaching machines the same reflex. This is the world model. At its core, it learns one thing: state plus action equals the next state. Nobody programs the physics, it learns the rules by watching. Once you can imagine outcomes, you can plan without risking a single real move. In 2018, one paper gave the idea its name and its architecture. First, vision. Squeeze a whole image down to a handful of numbers. Then, memory. An RNN that predicts what the next moment will feel like. Last, the controller. A tiny decision maker riding on top of a giant imagination. And here's the twist. It can practice entirely inside its own dream. Why act 1,000 times in the world when you can rehearse 1,000,000 times in your model? Dreamer takes this all the way. It dreams its training entirely in latent space. With one fixed setup, it did what none had. Mined a diamond from scratch. No human help. Scale the idea up and predict the next state becomes predict the next frame. Genie turns one still image into a world you can actually walk into. Some models were never told about physics, yet a rough physics leaks out anyway, and some are built on purpose. World engines to train robots before the robot exists. A robot can fail 1,000 times in its imagination to succeed once for real. On the road, foresight is safety. Predict the next few seconds, choose the safe line. Every imagined step carries a little error, and errors compound into fantasy. The model is a map, and the map is never the whole territory. So, learn the world, imagine the future, plan the move. That's a world model. To act wisely, first imagine what happens next. Machines are finally learning how. Thanks for watching.